What is a diya? A diya is a type of a candle. Why are we making a diya? Because it's Diwali, and Diwali is the festival of lights. Happy Diwali! Yay! Vivaan, what do we need? String. String, but it's little. I didn't know. And sit down, Vivaan. Paint brush. Yeah. And blue scissors. We'll get a go. Tape. Yes. And then bowl. This is a cup. Bowl. Yes. Now that's a bowl. Plate. Yeah, this is a plate. Plate. And why everything is shaking? I have no clue. And also, what is this? Construction paper. Any colors of construction paper, but the two main colors you will need are construction paper, yellow and red. Let's get started! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! So first you need to fold your construction paper in half. Okay. So just fold it. Okay. Yep. And then after that, get your plate and put it halfway on your page. About halfway. Okay. So now you're gonna trace it halfway till here, which is also known as a quarter. Good job, Vida. Now time to trace it. Got it. Now do a quarter. I think that's good for me. Yeah. My idea is green. Yeah, good job. Oh, a little bit more. Now get your ruler and trace a line from the end of your quarter till the end of your page. Like this. There, like that. So now we need to cut out this with our scissors. But be careful, because they're super sharp. So, time to cut it out. Look at this. It looks like a boat. But not a boat, it's like when it goes like this, it looks like it's a bird. There you go. I'm done too. Good job, Vivaan. You won't ask it to taste like a pizza. Now it's time to make the flame. And for the base, we used a plate. Now for the flame, we're going to use a bowl. And the bowl is smaller than the plate. So what you do is you get your yellow construction paper and you fold it like this. You place it on your table. Get your bowl and put more than half of it outside and less than half of it inside. See, like this. Then what you do is trace it like this. So now when you're done tracing it, you're gonna have to cut it out. So now we're gonna repeat the same steps except with a wet construction paper and a cup. And as you can see, we did the biggest circle, which is the plate, for the base, the medium circle, which is the bowl, and we did it for the first part of the flame, and now we're doing the cup for the second part of the flame, and it is the small circle.
So this is big. You can do it with your hands. Big, medium, small.
Good job, Vida.
I'm still cutting.
Okay, good job, Vivan.
Because this is one people.
And friends, remember, most of it is supposed to be outside, and less than half of it is supposed to be inside.
I think you did the middle.
No, it's fine. Okay, this is. There. So now get your red flame and glue it onto the bottom of your yellow flame.
I'm gonna glue it on.
Yep.
I think that's enough. Glue it on.
So now we're gonna decorate our flame, and to do that we're gonna use glitter glue.
I'm gonna put on the golden glitter, and it's just like it's the opposite. It's good. Look at this glitter.
Hey friends, we finished putting glitter on our Diya. We even put it on the base, and because Diwali is the festival of lights, and we have so much fun. And don't forget the sweet
Laddu! A barfi!
And my favorite is actually rasmalai. Now it's time to glue on our flame to the base. And watch carefully. Okay? So only on the bottom. Just put it like that over there. And then stick it on.
Can I say something, please?
Yeah, I'm just telling the people watching how we're supposed to glue, and glue.
Hey, do you know that? Look, I'm done the orange one.
Yeah, and I'm done this one. Let's move on to this one.
We're doing switch.
So now what we gotta do is turn the Diya upside down. Then we're gonna lay the string. What you do is get some tape, and stick it on. So you stick it on the place where the tape, the base, and this meet.
When can I do it?
And we're done! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! Yes! If you like this video,